Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to add light. Okay, to add light in Blender, you can go to add tools, click in it, and then move to light. So in here we have 4 options. You can use point, sun, spot, and area. So for example, I will use for spot. Now you can move this light to the top like this. Okay, you can go to this render view, and if you want to increase the light in this render spot, you can right click, choose light power. You can move scroll mouse to the top to increase the lightning, and move to the bottom to decrease the lightning like this. Then you can click to apply. The other option, you also can set for the spot like size and also spot like blend. And this is for adjust like radius. That's it. This is for the radius. The other light, you also can add, click add option, move to light, and I will use area. I will move to the top, and then move to green axis and red axis. Now we can increase the adjust like power, this, and also I will increase for the area like size. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorial how to add light. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.